Hi, hello. Today we have a wonderful guest with me, Rihanna Rahib, a successful life coach and a clarity catalyst. Let's enjoy together. Welcome, Rihanna, into this show. Let's have a wonderful moments together. Rihanna, first of all, I would like to appreciate your work, especially last 1 year. You did wonderfully your coaching business nationally and international level. And I will ask one question: why do you choose to become a clarity coach, and why we need clarity coaches?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your question. So I chose clarity coaching because I realized that a lot of people they struggle to move forward, not because they lack skills or ambition, but because they lack the most fundamental aspect of growth, which is clarity.
And people face clarity issues in business and relationship. So, what are the things we need to incorporate or give this clarity into business and relationship areas?
Clarity in relationships is crucial because it helps them build a foundation of trust, mutual respect, and understanding. The absence of clarity can lead to unmet needs, unspoken expectations, misunderstandings that often lead to conflicts in relationships. Most people they lack the clarity to communicate effectively when there are conflicts. They also are unsure how to set boundaries. So these are most of the common reasons that lead to a lot of issues in relationships. So, the interesting thing to note here is that when there are issues in your relationships, it can easily reflect or flow into other aspects of your life, such as work or businesses. So, whereas in the case of business, a lot of people they come with an idea, vision, and a dream. But the lack of a clear plan to establish systems, navigate the process, set goals, overcome limiting beliefs is what often challenges this vision. This is where clarity becomes very crucial. So, for instance, in Japan, a lot of entrepreneurs they adopt a long-term perspective of planning for up to 100 years before even launching. So this approach it emphasizes sustainability, ensuring that companies they remain relevant and resilient over time.
Rihanna, are you happy? Are you satisfied to become a clarity coach, or doing you get happiness or satisfaction as a clarity coach?
Yes, absolutely. The best thing about coaching is when the client has a moment of realization. The shift when they break free from a limiting belief, they gain insight, or take action on something that they once feared. Knowing that a single conversation or insight can change someone's trajectory is what makes this work deeply meaningful.
I know that you have a lot of international clients.
So my clients are from diverse backgrounds. There are many clients from US, South Africa, India. Most of them are young professionals, entrepreneurs, or people seeking transformation, especially women who are seeking clarity in their purpose, navigating tough relationships, and career transitions.
Can you share any of your memorable experience with your clients?
So I had a client from the US who came to me initially with a lot of personal struggles. In the next session, we realized that a lot of these issues were also affecting other parts of her life, especially her business. So after working together to gain clarity and address the issues in her relationship, she gained the strength to move forward. Not only did she regain balance in her personal life, but she started to make powerful decisions in her business that helped her move forward. It was incredible to watch her rediscover her confidence and momentum in both her personal and professional lives.
How did my life coaching graduation program help you to become a clarity catalyst or a life coach?
So, I worked as an IT professional in the corporate world for over 12 years. So, this program has helped me transform myself by breaking free from my limiting beliefs and move into this personal development industry. And the most valuable lesson that I have learned is that there is always a way to move forward if you're willing to look for it. This program it helped me realize the importance of clarity in both personal and professional relationships, and it created a solid foundation for me to start my own coaching business.
Rihanna, how do you evaluate yourself as a mentor coach? Because you are serving as a mentor coach for last 2-3 years for School of Life Skills. So please explain your experience regarding that.
So, I've been a mentor for the School of Life Skills for almost 2 to 3 years now. Helping fellow coaches has expanded my perspectives. It helps me gain insights and takes my confidence to the next level. So, I want to take a moment to thank you from the bottom of my heart for this wonderful opportunity to serve my fellow coaches. it's really been an amazing experience.
And I want to know that what do you think about the scope of clarity coaching in present scenario? And one more question: how much a clarity coach can earn?
So, clarity coaching is a growing and stable field, especially for young people who are interested in personal development and helping others. So, as more people seek guidance in navigating challenges in their relationships, career, and personal growth, the demand for clarity coaching continues to rise. So, if you are passionate, ready to take risks, and do the work, there is no limit to how much you can earn as a clarity coach.
Thank you so much, Rihanna, for your time, and all the very best, dear, for your future projects and all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I had a wonderful time with you today.